decided that I'm not interested in finding anyone. If someone comes into my life and they're the perfect fit, Alright, y'all, so we are on our way over to Liberty Station, and we're going to walk around, find a bench, and play cards. So, yeah, I'll see you when we get there. Bye. Alright, y'all, so we made it over to the place where we're gonna go. I'm just gonna give you a little 360, as you can see. So, right now we're gonna play some cards. Yeah, and just chill out. Right now we're in the shade, and yeah, so I'm glad to be vlogging again, and I hope that you guys are happy to. I hope that you guys are happy to see. Hey, Richard, you having fun?
Yeah, is it 10 each?
Yeah, it's 10 each. We're playing 500 rummy, and then you pick a card. In our rummy, 2 cards are wild. The number 2 cards are wild, and the number in the Joker card is wild. So, all right, y'all. So this is the park at Liberty Station, and right now we're just walking through the picnic tables, and yeah. So, all right, y'all. We're walking back toward the card because we were playing cards, but it's too windy to play cards. So now we're walking back to the car so we can get me something to eat from Jack in the Box. My favorite thing to get from Jack in the Box is egg rolls and usually curly fries. Alright, y'all, we're back in the car and we're headed over to Jack in the Box to get me some egg rolls. I swear to my gosh, oh my gosh, like those egg rolls are so good. As far as like being on the west coast, those are the closest thing to East Coast egg rolls. And I had some from this place called Shanghai something, and those were okay. They had a very pungent sesame oil flavor to them, which I'm accustomed to Jack in the Box egg rolls now, and I prefer those. All right, y'all, I'm at the place getting my egg rolls, so I'm super excited about that. As you can see, we're at Jack in the Box, and I am about to get my delicioso egg rolls. So, how's everyone doing? How have y'all been? Are y'all having a good, happy New Year's? Are you enjoying your New Year's? I know for us, we didn't really do much for New Year's. We actually didn't even stay up all night. We watched the ball drop for the East Coast. But as far as like the West Coast ball drop, or you know, whatever they do here, we didn't do anything for that. And but oh, I forgot to mention, we went to see The Color Purple on Christmas on opening night, and I will insert a video of me walking in this place called Liberty Station. The place that we were just at, we had all these beautiful lights up and everything, and I did a little model show, and it was a lot of fun. So I'll insert a video of that. And yeah, other than that, got my egg rolls. So here are my egg rolls right here. So, can't wait for you guys to see me do a test try. All right, bye. Hi, y'all. So I'm back, and I'm gonna do a little mukbang for you. I got Jack in the Box egg rolls. And I have a Cherry Coke Zero. And I wanted to go over my planner with you because, you know, this year I'm trying to garner more followers and become a full-time social media influencer. Last year was the year of just millions and millions of views on TikTok. Like, it's so easy to go viral on TikTok. Well, I don't know if it's that easy, but like, for a while, it seemed like every other video was getting 4+ million views. So this year, I want to actually take it serious, and I want to become a full-time social media influencer. Dare I say I would love to move to Los Angeles to like have more opportunities? Possibly. We'll see. So I'm gonna go over the planner with you, have this mukbang, and just enjoy talking to you all because I haven't talked to you in so long. And I've missed you, and I haven't posted an actual vlog in a few months. I have been posting shorts, I have been posting on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram. You can find me on most platforms, if not all, as Autumn Knows It All. So please follow me, give me a follow, subscribe. I would love for you to join the Autumn fam. Let's get into these Jack in the Box egg rolls. If you want some bomb-ass egg rolls, Jack in the Box. Now, as many of you know, I had VSG surgery. So, typically, I can go through all 3 of these egg rolls in one sitting. Will my tummy hurt like a bitch? Yes. It'll hurt really bad. But like if I'm having a good day and I'm just like, I'm gonna use my tool. I only have one. But let's get to the planner. So I decided to organize my life this year and make things more consistent with my values and structured. So I have a daily routine that I'm going to be using. And for my daily routine, I have the morning from 6:45 to 8:45. And then I have mid-morning, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And then I have the afternoon, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. And then I have the evening, 5 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. And in each section, as you can see, in each section, I have things I'm going to do. Like for the morning, I'm going to wake up, take my meds, drink water, make breakfast, shower, hygiene. For mid-morning, I'm going to work out, eat lunch, watch YouTube. For the afternoon, I'm going to read a book, get some natural light air somehow, you know, watch a movie or documentary, and brainstorm social media content. For the evening, I'm going to take my meds because I take meds 3 times a day, eat dinner, spend time with Richard, watch the news, program, or YouTube. And then at 9 p.m., I'm going to take my meds, brush my teeth, wash my face, get in bed, go to sleep. That is my daily routine. Mm. 2024 is the year of structure. It's the year of accomplishing goals. Oh, you guys, guess what? I finished my first semester of college. Now, I'm a college dropout. I attempt to do college when I was like fresh out of high school. Wasn't for me. And ever since then, I've longed to go back to college for so long. And I'm a part of this program that's paying for me. I have a full ride. bachelor's degree included. They'll pay for me to get a bachelor's degree. They'll actually pay for me up to get a master's degree if I need it. I am fully taking advantage of it. Also, where I live in San Diego, they have a program for most people. No matter what your income is. I don't think it's income based. Most people can go to a 2-year community college for free. Like, we make 6 figures and are able to go to a community college. I would be able to go to a community college for free, but I can't talk. I'm going through a different program, and they said that Richard qualified for it as well, but he's in the military. He has his GI Bill, so he won't need it. Yeah. And then I have a section in the planner called budget. Ooh, child. That fast food and grocery bill, that's killing us, honey. That is like taking a lot of money. And we gotta get things ringed in. We need to make things a lot easier for ourselves. Stop being fed with fats and eating fast food all the time. I'm telling y'all, these Jack in the Box egg rolls are so good. But yeah, finished a full semester of college. Went to see Color Purple on opening night on Christmas, and I wore this fabulous dress, y'all. You'll see. And then in my planner, the next thing I have is content creation ideas. So there's going to be a couple things, and then there's going to be things by myself. Now, I want to talk about me being polyamorous. But for right now, I'm content in my relationship that I have right now, and I'm not looking to date because I'm on all these dating sites and all these men message me, and I'm just I'm not interested. I want to focus on just becoming a better version of myself. Yeah. So that's my goal. My goal is to become a better version of myself and to get a college degree. And to be a full-time social media influencer. So I have all these goals that I need to accomplish. I need to be focused on no man. I have a man. I was gonna put it away, but it's so good. So, that's it for the vlog. I'm gonna edit it and then get it up for you guys, and I just want to say thank you all. Thank you all for coming along on this journey with me. A journey of life, self-improvement, and just being better versions of ourselves. And please, feel free to comment and interact with me. I reply to all comments. I'd love to hear what your New Year's resolutions are, or what you're accomplishing this year. It doesn't have to be a New Year's resolution. What are your goals for this year? And Maybe we can help each other motivate each other. Maybe we can help motivate each other. Oh, another goal, losing weight. I am on this medication called Mounjaro. It is a good medication. It decreases, excuse me, it decreases my appetite and lowers my A1C, my blood sugar. So there's also a medication called Zepbound for people who aren't diabetic, and that formula apparently works way better for people who aren't diabetic, and it even works better for people who want to lose weight. So if you want to look into that, then I guess you should. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.